Hi, my name is Alan Pierre and welcome to Afrique Today. Today I have a pleasure to have here to the Sunday guest, Mr. Mbako Ambianda. He's represent here Africa Trade and Investment Global Summit. Welcome to Afrique Today.
Welcome, Alan.
Mr. Mbako, tell me a little bit about you.
My name is Bako Ambianda. I'm representing the Africa Trade and Investment Global Summit. It is an event that is organized by Global Attain Advancement. I am a partner of Global Attain Advancement. We are events publishing and trade mission company, so we organize high-level investment, trade and development summits in various countries. We have over 36 events under our management. The Africa Trade and Investment Global Summit, which means ATIGS, is one of our flagship African show, and it's happening in Washington, D.C. in less than 2 weeks. And I'm currently here representing the summit and networking, and I'm honored to be here to talk about what we got coming up soon.
Yes, you have a lot of things will be happening in that Africa Trade Investment Global Summit, and Mr. Mbakop is here to tell us a little bit about that thing happening in Washington D.C. Can you tell me a little bit how long your organization exists?
So, Global Attain Advancement, which our DBA is GAA Exhibition and Conferences. We started as barely 7 years ago. We started as a publishing company and trade mission company, leading delegations across the African continent, particularly from North America and Middle East. And from leading delegation, we dive into the event sector, and we grew from just a small events and trade mission company to now managing about 36 events on our portfolio.
I just want to remind you, you're watching Afrique Today is Sunday guest. I have here Mr. Mbako Ambianda. He's represent here Africa Trade and Investment Global Summit. That event will be June 24 until 26. Don't forget to reserve your ticket. How to get your ticket? Just go to www.atigs2018.com and you will be able to reserve your place. And if you don't have time to do that, you can win your ticket right now here in Afrique Today. No, it will be a little bit later. And Mr. Mr. Mbakop, I'm sorry. And can you tell me a little bit about Africa Trade and Investment?
So, Africa Trade and Investment Global Summit, ATIGS, brings together trade promotional organizations and investment promotional agencies from various countries in Africa to connect with global investors and businesses all across the world that are looking to expand their business operations or establish their business operations in Africa. So we focus on bringing TPOs and IPAs across Africa to showcase their investment and trade opportunities in their various locality, making ATIGS a one-stop shop to access African markets.
Yes, we will talk more about this event because this is very interesting event, and you say you have almost like almost more than 70 you have delegates from 70 countries.
Yes.
Who will be participate for that event. No, anyway, I didn't really understand because even people who watching us now, they would like to know really what are you doing. This event is about what you do that event.
This event is all about trade, investment, and economic development. So
Where the people who participate on that event will invest.
So this is Africa has about 54 countries.
Okay.
And we are bringing investors that are interested in any countries in the African continent to meet with to get connected with fundable companies and to learn about bankable projects from various African countries, That's on the investment side. On the trade side, it's all about the local companies from Africa that are looking to export their products into the Western countries, as well as the Western countries that are looking to export their products that are relevant to the African market. So it is a Africa Global Summit, which means that it's focused on the countries or the sectors that the participating companies or delegates are interested in either doing business or investing.
Yes, and we know also we in that event will participate a lot of people. We will have minister, we will have a governor, we will have businessmen on that event. Now that one we will talk soon. Just I want to remind everybody that you can win right now this ticket for that event. The event is Africa Trade Investment Global Summit. It will be June 24 until 26. It will be 3 days event, and you have an opportunity to win the ticket for 1 day. One is 1 day, I don't know which day. No, you will win the value of this ticket is $200, and you will be able to participate with this event. How you need to do that? You just need to call right now to Afrique Today. Call 571-612-0496, and you will be able to win this ticket. Now what you need to do is just give the name of the show you're watching now, and you will be able to win that ticket. We'll be right back after the break.
Hello, kings and queens. I hope you guys are doing so well today. Every Sunday, connect yourself to Afrique Today and watch my show, Spice. As you all know, I am amazing, of course. But what is Spice? Spice is all about all of us, our community, our everyday life, our issues, things to help ourselves get better. Please don't miss it. Every Sunday, connect yourself again to AfriqueToday.com. But please, come with your friends and family. You will not regret it. Thank you.
It's Young John, the wicked producer. Oh yeah, oh, on by Winnie B. Oh, my love shape your sorrow. I'm a tika. Oh, my love la la people. Oh yeah, Joby mommy. Oh yeah, Joby daddy. Oh yeah, Joby low. My love Joby low. On by Winnie B. Oh, my love shape your sorrow. I'm a tika. Oh, my love la la people. Oh yeah, Joby mommy.
Welcome back to Afrique Today. Thank you for the break. You're watching now the Sunday guest I have here in Afrique Today, Mr. Mbako Ambianda. He's represent here Africa Trade and Investment Global Summit. This is ATIGS is here on the studio. Welcome back.
Thank you, Alain.
Yes, we was talking before the break about the delegation who will be in this conference and exhibition. It will be minister, governor, and businessman. Tell me a little bit about that.
With an event of this nature, we are expecting over 2,000 delegates from over 70 countries, and these delegates include government delegations such as governors, ministers. We have vice presidents, we have UN officials, and in the private sector, we have CEOs and high-level business executives from various multinational companies, as well as small and medium-sized corporations from over 70 countries. And everybody comes in with different goals and different objectives, but with one theme: driving trade, unleashing investments, and enhancing economic development.
Why? And I just want to remind you that Africa Today is the media partner of Africa Trade and Investment, and just watching us and download the app, you will be able to watch all that 3 day in Africa Today. We will cover that event, and also you have an opportunity to win a ticket right now. Just call 571-612-0496 and we will tell you. You have to tell us which the name of the show you're watching right now. And I have here Mr. Mbako Ambianda. He's represent here Africa Trade and Investment Global Summit. Is here with me on Africa Today. I know to have all that people with you, people from 70 countries. How you did that?
As I mentioned to you earlier, we are a full-scale event and publishing company. So we have events, over 36 events under our management, and we have over 72 country representatives in various countries that are mandated by our management to represent our objectives and our events in their various localities. So an event of this nature, we rely on a lot of our media partners, our strategic partnerships, our connections in various African countries as well as Western countries to mobilize delegates to participate in the event. So as an events company, we have built a good reputation with both government and private sector companies based on the type of event that we produce, because we have a niche on high level and prestigious events.
Yes, and because you're event organizer, I just want to let you know Africa Today just push out a very new software who called Smart Ticket. I think after the show we will talk about how we can work together to use that software in African community. Okay, I just remind everybody who you watching in Africa Today is the Sunday guest. I have here Mr. Mbako Ambianda with Africa Trade and Investment Global Summit. ATIGS is here to talk with us about that event, who will be June 24 until June 26. If you don't have your ticket yet, go ahead, go to www.atigs2018.com and you will be able to participate on that event. Maybe you will be able to see one minister over there, one governor, and maybe one businessman who can help you, and you will see how the African people grow together. Mr. Mbako, I see here, when I see this thing I want to show to everybody, you have here a lot of sponsors. How long first your organization exists?
As I mentioned to you at the first part of the interview, we are a 7 years company, and we started as a trade mission company, and then we grew into a publishing and merged into an events company. So rightly, ANGSA is a 7 years old company.
Yes, and how long it take you to organize this conference?
ATIGS is a merger between some of our shows that we have been doing in the Middle East and in Africa, and we merged together to create ATIGS. And
that means this special conference you organize to many countries. Can you tell us which country will you organize this event and why? Next year and next year is another place, and where will be the next place next time?
So ATIGS is a biennial event. It is centered in 2018 in Washington DC. It is not an annual event. So the next edition will be in 2020 in Dubai, and the next following that will be in 2022. It will be in Beijing, China. In 2024, it will be in Brussels, Belgium. In 2026, it will be in Ethiopia, and in 2028, it will be in South America. And after 2018, ATIGS will become a government event that will be open for bidding by various African countries, and the country that will win the bid will be able to host it in their country.
Wow, this is very fantastic what you're doing. I just want to remind you, if you want to know about this event, just go to www.atigs2018.com. You will see that to our screen right now. This is very interesting. You will be almost to all that. You will be almost to all that country, and where you will participate in that event. And how you will do that?
It's all about planning. We have partnerships with various national governments and various organizations in various countries. So we have laid the concept note about the summit that runs until 2030, and we already have strategic initiatives in various countries continuing to plan for the next editions.
Okay, before we go to the break, I just ask you about how you have to get all these sponsors, to bring all these people. You have more than 20 sponsors. This is a lot to this event. I think I will ask you again that question just after the break. I just want to remind everybody who watching us now, you're watching Afrique Today. This is the Sunday guest, and you can win the ticket right now. You just need to call us right now and give the name of the show you are watching now. We have a lot of tickets. If you call right now, you can win this ticket for this event. The price, the value of this ticket is $200. You have a chance to win that right now. We will be right back just after the break. Welcome back to Afrique Today. My name is Alain Pierre. You're watching now the Sunday guest, and I have a pleasure to have here to the studio Mr. Mbako Ambianda. He's represent here Africa Trade and Investment Global Summit. Is ATIGS is here on Afrique Today because the Africa Trade Investment will be June 24 until June 26, and you have an opportunity to participate with that event right now. Just call to the studio and you will be able to win this ticket value $200, and you will be participate to that event. I have a lot of tickets here. I have 20 tickets. Just call right now and you will be able to participate in that event. Welcome back, Mr. Mbako.
Welcome, Alan.
Okay, we was talking about the sponsorship for that event, because to be able to organize that kind of global event, you need to have a global people who make money to organize that kind of event. How you did that? You have here more than 20 people, including Afrique Today, who also media sponsor. How you did that?
If you're doing something right with the continent and you have a good strategy, you have a good initiatives, and you mobilize the right people with the right mission, you will definitely be able to pull the right companies. And we have over 172 partners, including sponsoring partners, media partners, and supporting partners. And it all started with us reaching out, and we have a good network because we are a full-scale events company. So we are known in the industry.
What is your target?
Our target market is companies that are looking to expand their business operation or establish their business operations in Africa, as well as global investors that are looking to connect with fundable companies or with bankable projects across the African continent. So we are bringing, if you're a company or an investor, you're looking to do something in the African market, the first key people are always the trade promotional organizations or the investment promotional agencies. And as you all know, it is very difficult to get into the African markets because it is 54 countries. So we have been able to create a one platform that you can access African markets at a one-stop shop. So our target are those companies or those investors that are looking to establish or expand their footprint in Africa.
Wow. And how many, because you say your organization exists almost already 7 years, and how many realization you already did in Africa?
First, as because we are in North America, I'll start from North America. We built an event in Georgia where we sold the event, and now we currently run the largest renewable energy solar and storage event in Texas, which brings about 1,700 delegates every year. We also run a 115,000 event that happens in Dallas, Texas, every April. We also run a World Industrial Conference that happens in Beijing. We run also a large conference in Dubai, and ATIGS is our flagship Africa show, which will bring about 2,000 delegates in less than 2 weeks in Washington, D.C.
Wow, this is amazing. We didn't know we have a very good African people who can organize a very big event like this one. This will be very fantastic, and you can watch all that on Afrique Today. It will be June 24 until 2026. Afrique Today will be the official media partner of that event. You're watching now Afrique Today Sunday Guest, and you can watch us on 4 platforms: Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and our website www.afriquetoday.com. If you're watching us from Nigeria, from Togo, from Cameroon, go ahead, download Afrique Today application for Android. If you don't have Android, you have iPhone, you can also download Afrique Today application for iPhone, and you will be able to watch us live right now. Okay, Mr. Mbako, I have another question for you before we finish, because this is the last part for our interview. What do you try to accomplish after this event? After that, I have my last question.
Where an event is just a platform, right? Across the world, there's so many different events that happens on Africa, but a lot of those events are talk shops. Everything ends in talking. We are not a talk shop. We don't call ourselves an event. We call ourselves a platform. So what we focus on is what happened after the event. We have a lineup of over 17 trade delegations after the event, whereby we will be leading in partnership with our various partners, leading delegations into Africa with some of the participants for the event. So the event will bring together companies that are ready with the money, or that are ready to do business with Africa, invest in Africa, partner with Africa, or trade with Africa. And after the event, we will move from talking into action. So we are looking to solve a major problem in Africa, which is accessing African markets at a one-stop shop, connecting global investors with bankable projects, and helping local businesses to expand their portfolios into new markets. And that is what we want to achieve with the event. And we will continue after the summit with the next agenda, which is leading trade missions into Africa.
Wow, that is really, really interesting. You're watching now Africa Today, the Sunday guest. We here live on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and our website www.africtoday.com. If you want to participate at Africa Trade and Investment Global Summit, go ahead, call right now 571-612-0496. I have almost 20 tickets here. You can win all of them, or you can win one of them. The price is $200 ticket, and you have an opportunity to win that right here on Africa Today, because Africa Today is a media sponsor of this event. You see, we have a lot of tickets here. Just call right now 571-612-0496. If you want to know about this event, go ahead www.atigs2018.com, and you will know everything you want to know about this event. Mr. Mbako, before I let you go, I know you are very busy, and I just know you. Can you explain me? We have 3-day events. Can you explain me the first day, the second day, and the third day?
Thank you. Very good question. So ATIGS is actually a week full of events. We are branded as the World Business Week on Africa. The ATIGS is the major part of the week, which is a 3-day, which will begin on June 24th. That is a Sunday, beginning with a welcoming reception at the Bobby Vance restaurant in Washington, D.C., starting from 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. And that is just a networking. The official welcome address will be done by the African Union Ambassador to the Washington, D.C., to the United States. And on June 25th will be a full-day conference beginning from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And we are expecting over 2,000 delegates, where it will include a conference and an exhibition. Following the same day, after 5 p.m., we will have a series of entertainment, cultural dance, and a number of performances. And on Tuesday, June 26th, we will continue with the same format, a conference and an exhibition, starting from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And at 5 p.m., we will have the expression of cultural art, which the tickets are right in front of you, which include a full production of entertainment, fashion show, and a series of performance. And following that, we have the ATIGS award ceremony, which is we will be honoring individuals and companies that are driving significant growth across the continent. So it's a 3 full days of of activities, all focusing on the continent.
I hope Afrique Today will win something that day. Okay, you watching that Afrique Today? This is a Sunday guest I have here, Mr. Mbako Ambianda. I think you will say your last word now. Don't before I let you go. I want to know the price because the people think this is just a small thing. The price, the conference, how much to cost to participate at the conference?
So the conference has a different ranging depending on what you are trying to access. Ticket price range from $280 up to $1,000 depending on what you are trying to participate. We also have the exhibition price, which is gives you access only to the exhibition area to visit the exhibition, which is less than $100.
And this ticket we give away now is how much?
Is $200 value. This ticket gives you access to ATIGS Expression of Cultural Arts on Tuesday, June 26, which includes fashion show and a series of entertainment, cultural dance and performances. When you have this ticket, it also gives you a good first-hand option to participate in the expo, which the expo is also included in it.
You listen. You can win a powerful ticket. Just call now, 571-612-0496. Say the name of the show you're watching now, and you will be able to win one of tickets. I have 20 tickets here, 20. Then you can win one. Just call. Mr. Mbako, can you tell me, we almost on the end this show, can you tell me your last thing you want to say to everybody who watching us? For some people who again try to think if they want to participate in this event or if they don't want, before you say your word, I just want to remind you this will be the African Trade Investment Global Summit, ATIGS. It will be conference and exhibition. It will be June 24 and June 26. It will be at World Trade Center, Ronald Reagan Building in Washington, D.C. You have to come to that event. You have to come. If you don't have money to buy the ticket, just call Afrique Today right now. I have a 20 ticket here. You can win that. Just say the name of the show. It's very easy. 571-612-04. That's it. Call us and you can win this ticket. Your last word, Mr. Mbako.
It's Africa's time. It's our time to raise our continent up. It's our time to understand that there's too much of opportunities that lies in the continent. It's our time to mobilize those that can transform Africa and rebrand Africa. Come to Africa Trade and Investment Global Summit. Whatever you are looking for, fashion, business, trade, investment, agriculture, construction, health. We are covering over 16 sectors, key sectors that can enhance growth in Africa. We are bringing the world at one stop shop to talk about Africa. If you are in the Washington area, the DMV area, you have one of a significant event. Don't miss it. The next edition is in 2020 in Dubai. Come now or never. See you at ATIGS 2018.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mbako Ambianda. You watching now Afrique Today. This is the Sunday guest we have here, Mr. Mbako Ambianda. He represents here Africa Trade and Investment Global Summit. I just want to remind everybody, just call right now because the show is almost done. Now you have until 10 p.m. today to you can still call in because I have 20 tickets here. I just need to give that away because this organization called Afrique Today, we participate like media partner in this event and you have a chance to win this ticket. The value of this ticket is $200. We give away $200. Just call right now and you will be able to win this ticket. Just say the name of the show. It's very easy. Just call and you will win. Okay. Africa Trade Investment Global Summit will be June 24 until June 26. It will be at World Trade Center, Ronald Reagan Building, Washington, D.C. Don't miss that date. Just remind that date. And if you want to know before you go at this event, if you want to know about this event, go to www.hergs2018.com. Please come, and you will see a lot of stuff. You will meet a lot of people. You will have a lot of connection. Thank you, Mr. Backup, to be with us today.
Thank you, Alan.
Thank you to watching us. See you next Sunday. Bye.